A few months ago, my friend Lisa was frustrated with her kitchen. The layout was fine, but it felt dull and outdated. A full remodel was out of budget, so she asked, "What can I change that makes a big impact without spending a fortune?" The answer? The backsplash. If you're feeling the same, stuck with a kitchen that lacks personality, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into the modern kitchen backsplash trends for 2025 and how just one simple update can completely refresh the heart of your home. We've curated the latest backsplash ideas, from natural materials to metallic finishes, geometric patterns, and innovative alternatives. These aren't just trends, they're smart design solutions that can work in any modern kitchen. The rise of natural materials, a back-to-nature aesthetic. Let's start with a return to nature. One of the biggest trends for 2025 is a return to nature. More homeowners are choosing backsplashes made from natural materials like stone, wood, and even reclaimed materials. Why? Because they bring warmth, texture, and authenticity. A stone backsplash adds timeless charm. Wood backsplashes, especially sealed and treated ones, offer cozy organic vibes. And reclaimed tiles or eco-friendly slabs not only look stunning, but also help the planet. Lisa ended up choosing a reclaimed white oak panel as her backsplash. And everyone thinks she had a designer do it. So if you want durability, uniqueness, and sustainability, natural is the way to go. Metallic finishes. A touch of glamour and sophistication. Let's talk about shine and sophistication. Looking to add a little shine to your space? 2025 is bringing in a wave of metallic backsplash designs that add instant glamour. Think brushed brass, matte copper, or sleek stainless steel. These metallic finishes work beautifully with both dark and light cabinets and reflect light to open up your space. They're also perfect if you love the modern industrial or contemporary luxury look. And here's the bonus. Most metallic backsplash panels are easy to clean, making them great for busy cooks. Next up, geometric backsplashes are having a major moment. Gone are the days of basic subway tile. Now, it's all about hexagons, chevrons, diamond cuts, and mosaic tiles that create movement and depth. Geometric tiles bring energy and personality to your kitchen, and they're a great way to highlight a color or texture without going over the top. And the best part? Geometric backsplashes work well with just about any style, from ultra-modern to retro-inspired. They bring depth, movement, and personality to your kitchen wall. One trend we love? Mosaic tiles in bold color combinations, like navy and gold or sage and ivory. They're modern, artistic, and totally Instagram-worthy. Lisa's neighbor used black and white triangle tiles to create a bold statement wall behind her stove. It was affordable, and now it looks like something out of a design magazine. Beyond traditional tiles, exploring alternative materials. Not into tiles at all? You're not alone. A growing number of homeowners are ditching traditional tiles in favor of glass, metal panels, and even kitchen-safe wallpaper. Yes, wallpaper. 2025 is seeing a rise in peel-and-stick backsplash options that look high-end but cost less, and install in under an hour. Glass backsplashes reflect light beautifully and are easy to wipe clean. Metal panels like aluminum or stainless steel give off a futuristic vibe. And wallpaper allows you to play with patterns or textures you wouldn't normally try. This trend is all about flexibility and style without commitment. Perfect if you're renting or like to switch things up every few years. We're also seeing a rise in textured wall panels that create a 3D effect. Perfect for contemporary kitchens that crave a little drama. Conclusion. So whether you're planning a full kitchen remodel or just want a small update that packs a punch, these modern kitchen backsplash trends for 2025 offer endless inspiration. From the warmth of natural materials to the shine of metallic finishes, the boldness of geometric designs, and the creativity of alternative options. There's a style for every taste and budget. Now tell me, which trend would you try in your kitchen? Drop your answer in the comments below. I read everyone. If you got value from this video, give it a like. It really helps others find these ideas too. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest in modern kitchen design, home upgrades, and decor trends. Thanks for watching. And here's to building a kitchen you love, one backsplash at a time.